Okay, so right now we're going to learn about the group selection tool. So where you will find the group selection tool, you have to right click with your mouse to this direct selection tool. Then you will have this group selection tool. So how this group selection tool is working? So therefore I want to add some more shapes. Therefore I'm going to use this selection tool, and let me make this smaller in size, this triangle, and I'm keeping here. And I want to take a rectangle shape here using the rectangle tool. So let me draw a rectangle shape. Let me create another. Let me create another. Let me create another. And here is another. Okay, so total 6 shape available in here. So let me select this selection tool, and I want to make a group using this 6 shape. So what you have to do, you have to select all these stops. So you can see I have make a selection. So I got a 6 shape selected. Now I need to create a group. So for creating a group, you just have to right click with your mouse, and then you will have this group option. Now wherever you will move, all these 6 things will move along. Okay, but if you need to move separately any specific shape from this group, or if you need to edit, then what you will do? Therefore you have to use the group selection tool. So let me right click in the direct selection tool, and here is my group selection tool. So as an example, I want to edit this second shape, and instead of this rectangle shape, I want to make this as a triangle shape. And now I want to move it from here. So you can see, using of group selection tool, I am able to move the shape from here, right? So which shape you want to move from this group, you just have to select it, and then you have to start moving. Let me show you. Let me select this one. Make sure that you have select first, then you will move. Selecting, then moving. Selecting, then moving. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how this group selection tool is working. Okay, and now if you need to work with the specific shape, like I want to make this shape, a rectangle shape, as a triangle shape. So therefore what you have to do, you just have to use this direct selection tool. Then you have to make a selection here. Sorry, I want to make a selection at top right, and then you have to click the anchor point. Okay, I'm pulling here. Then what you have to do, you have to click or select the second anchor point, and you can see it's a combination of 2 anchor point. Okay, so now this rectangle shape also turned into a triangle shape. So I hope you got the idea how this group selection tool is working, right? So I hope you learned how the group selection tool is working, and when it will work in real time. As I was saying, that lots of groups you have to create it, and from that group, if you need to work with the specific elements, you have to use the group tool. Okay, so I'm going to see you in our next lesson.